In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add a collaborator to your Wix website. Whether you're looking to share the workload with a team member or simply want to bring in another expert to handle specific parts of your site, the process is straightforward. So let's dive right in and get started on how to efficiently set this up. First things first, we need to log into your Wix dashboard. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to wix.com. Once there, you'll want to log into your account. If you have multiple sites, make sure you choose the one to which you'd like to add a collaborator. That's a crucial step to ensure you're making changes on the right project. Now that you're successfully logged into the right site, it's time to head over to the Roles and Permissions section. You'll find this by locating the Settings option on your site's dashboard. Once you've clicked on Settings, keep an eye out for the section labeled Roles and Permissions. That's where we'll be making all the magic happen. Click on Site Roles to access it. Once you're in the Site Roles section, you're almost there. What you want to do next is to invite a collaborator to join you. You'll see a button labeled plus invite people. Go ahead and click that. A new prompting form will appear, inviting you to enter your collaborator's email address. Ensure that you've entered the correct email to avoid any delays or confusion. Now comes the key part. Assigning the right role to your collaborator. It's essential to choose a role that matches the tasks you expect them to handle. Wix offers several roles, such as admin, blog editor, website designer, billing manager, and a few others. Each carries different permissions and levels of access, so consider what responsibilities best fit the individual's expertise and the needs of your site. Once you've made your selection, you can move forward by clicking the Send Invite button, and with that, you're all set. Your selected collaborator will receive an email invitation to join your site's team. From there, they'll be able to access the site based on the permissions you've assigned them, helping you manage the aspects of your website efficiently. Remember, being clear about roles and maintaining open communication with your collaborators is key to a smooth and successful collaboration on your Wix site. By following these simple steps, you've added a collaborator to your Wix site without any hassle. I hope this guide has been helpful, empowering you to expand your team's capabilities and enhance your site's performance. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check out more of our videos for additional tips and tricks on managing your Wix website.